Gold against US dollar this week started with a strong bullish candle, making a bullish breakout above 3351.42. The price has then formed a second candle, which was a bearish, but it has just confirmed a bullish breakout as a valid one, which means the price did not return on the next day below this area of support. For the next 2 days, the price was trying to move higher, and we can see that here on a Thursday, the price formed a wick on the upper side, trying to move higher. But because of the selling pressure, the price could not go further up, and we can see on a Friday the price is returned below this area of support. On a Friday, I have also mentioned that there is a potential that the price in the afternoon could unfollow the technical analysis. In my technical analysis, I was expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels, but on the Friday, the price has returned back down below this area of support. The weekly time frame currently shows us it is a bullish candle, but with the larger wick on the upper side, small wick on the lower side, which means there was a buying pressure, but also the selling pressure that has returned the price down. On the monthly time frame, currently we have just started the month. The previous month has closed as an indecision candle. Currently, it is a small one to make any conclusions, but currently we are in the uptrend on the gold, so everything is pointing that there is potential that the price continues to rise in value. Weekly time frame shows me that we have currently a pretty strong bullish breakout that has been formed 2 weeks ago, which has been invalidated with this bearish candle. So it's very hard for the price to return up and to continue to rise in value because of this bearish breakout that has been formed in the week before. And we can see on the daily time frame, this has again returned back down price below this area of support. So for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this area of support here, like in the previous days. We can see that here. But let's see how the Monday opens, because the Monday is very important. What happens over the weekend could also change where the price will start the week here on the chart. When the week starts, if it stays below this area of support, it will be indication that the price will try to reach this area of support, and then from there we will see how the price behaves. For now, it is heading south, and also we can see that currently first support is 3303.41 for the price, in order to allow the price to return back down further down below. Will that happen? We'll see how the market opens on a Monday, and if there is a breakout here on the 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. So feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and also join so you can receive the updates during the week when there is a breakout with the target and also the stop loss. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.